Right, students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Come in. So what is that? So Samir Ranjan Naik. Samir Ranjan Naik. I hope that is the doubt. So the task here is Samir Ranjan Naik got the task. Online students, am I audible to everybody? Yeah, okay. So due to COVID situation, many hospitals in your city are full. You decide to help your local hospitals by helping them to keep track of how many empty beds they are available. Define a class hospital that has three instance variables: name, capacity, occupancy. What they are? Instance variables. You know how to take instance variables? How? Define instance method. Ask what is the name of the hospital, capacity of the hospital, occupancy. How much is occupied already? Right. Capacity is 200 bedded hospital. Occupancy is what? 120, for example. Something like 120 or 130 or whatever it is. Define a method admit patient that will check the occupancy is less than capacity. Your occupancy is less than capacity, allow the patient to admit. If not, print, sorry, please try another hospital. Otherwise, increase occupancy by 1 and print that admitted successfully. Please explain this, sir. I tried but no output. So, left and left finger in the class. So, hospital is equal to hospital of health line 300 comma 300. Hospital dot admit patient. It's very simple. It's very simple. Samir Ranjan Naik. Can I show you at the end of the class? This is at the end of the class. Don't tell that. Sir, yesterday you said at the end of the class you said story, but you did not tell. Story is not a subject. Story is some morality is there in that, but this is a task. All questions from our notes only. How to do this? I'll tell in the class. Okay. At 7:40 p.m. I will take up the task. I'll take up the task. Come in. So, shall we start? Samir Ranjan Naik. I'll take up the task at that time. And if Samir Ranjan Naik prepared very well, this is not a big deal. Okay, it takes me only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. 7:40 I will take. 7:45 I will finish it. 7:45 I will go for online doubts. Okay, or I'll take it 7:50. I'll take it 7:50. Within 5 minutes I will complete it. Or otherwise 7:45 I will take. Then 5 minutes I will do. 7:50 onwards online doubts I will take. Shall we start our dangerous concept? Right. Now I'll go to continuation process. What is the topic name? What is the topic name? Indexing concept already completed. Slicing we are entering. Slicing on what? ND array. Slicing on ND array. I'm going to take 1D slicing already completed, I think so. 1D slicing completed. What is that? ND array. What is the syntax you understood? ND array. What is that? Begin colon, end, colon, step. Indexing if you come, comma will come. Comma. Okay. Slicing means what? Colon will come. Now I am going to take it. Next I am going to take it. 2D slicing. This is what? Little complicated you felt yesterday. Today I will repeat. There also what will come? Actually, what will come? Row will be there. Row slicing will be there, comma what? I will write it. Row slicing will be there. Next, what will be there? Comma. Column slicing will be there. Column slicing will be there. Okay. After that, what will be there? Step is also there. In row slicing, what is there? In row slicing, what is there? In detail, if we go deep of it, ND array of begin. Which begin? Row begin. Good. Next, row end. Under row slicing only I am talking. Beginning row, row end, and what? Row step, comma. Column slicing you go. Column slicing you go. Come on. Begin. Which begin? Column begin. Oh, next. Column end. Column step. Column step. Comma. What is this now? Step. In general, that step is maybe coming. Are you able to understand? Yes. So this is a scenario of this in detail part. Go to notebook. So today's strength is good. Offline students, only few of them did not come. Strength is good in the sense. Online students, slowly they will come. Still they need to come 70 more people. So slowly they will come. Because they went for formula, what is that? E-racing. E-racing. Really, if I am taking the charge of Chief Minister, first program I will cancel that. Because I am struggling a lot to come to our classes. And because of that, because all the people who are struggling a lot in that, people who are coming out. So for a few people, some lakhs of people are suffering. Right? Come to the point. So underground, all are underground. Chandu? Okay. Start? Start. Import NumPy as NP. NumPy as NP. Done. So after seeing that racing, the students will keep it quiet? No. After this, they will come with bikes and they will practice in Necklace Road. And the passengers normally they'll be affected. Right? So, like that. Anyhow, students, be careful. Try to use try block and except block in your life. So, move forward. Start? Start now. A is equal to NP dot array of I am taking here. Directly I will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, some 15, 25, 35. Next is called what? Okay, let it be. Up to this I will take. And next is called what? Print of A. And this is my data. LEN of A, it is going to give you 12. A dot shape is equal to what? 4, 3 I will say, or 3, 4 you say, whatever you like it. And next you say A, this is my data. Understand, students? So you can also shape it in different way also. Now I am going to do lot of things on these students. You know how to apply slicing on this 1D. It is very easy for us, not a difficult. Now today I am going to introduce this. See, I want to get it today. 0th row, first row, second row, 0th column, first column, second column, third column. Don't take much time, students. Understand quickly. Now I want to get it. First row I want to get it. First row. First row means what? This one. Sorry. First row means this part. First I will go like this. A of ND array of what I want? 0 you write it. It is more than enough to get that row. Okay? Fine. How do you write it? A of 0. That's all. Simply. If you want to go according to my 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. What is this 0? How many rows are there? According to my concept of that ND array object of what I will say, rows are there, comma, columns are there, comma, what? Step is there. This is my print, original print. How many rows you want? Only one row. Which row that too? So row beginning 0, colon what? 1. No row step. What is this part is called? Row. 0 to 1 means what? 0 to 1 minus 1. That is called what? 0. Comma. What is the columns? First 0th column, first column, second column, third column. 0 colon 4. 0 colon 4. What is the answer? Same. Come on, last some of the boys only seeing like that, without moving the eyes also. I'm seeing your eyes images like that or not. Only seeing like that, letters will jump off. Say some answer. If you don't move your lips and eyes, I will ask you the questions. Come on, first. Same answer or not? What is this meaning? 0 to 1 means what? Row related. Row related. What row? 0 to row related slicing. 0 to 1 means what? 0 to 1 minus 1. That is called 0th row. How many columns? 0 to 3 means all columns or not? Why are you saying? Don't take much time, students. 0 colon 1, comma, 0 colon 4. See the answer, same or not? Yes. In another way, A of colon 1, colon 1. If I don't specify anything, it's called what? Beginning. Already we discussed. Comma, colon, that's all. What is this now? Beginning column, beginning, ending column. No beginning column, no ending column. That is nothing but what? All columns. This is also one more or not? Yes. Come on. A of colon 1, comma what? Colon. Same answer. See? Can I tell you one more way? A of colon 1, colon. What is that? Beginning 0 to what? 1. No step. That is nothing but what? 0 kaadu. 1 only. And if I don't specify 0 now, if you write 0, answer will not come. So you need to write what? 1 if you want. That is nothing but what? Simply I can say like this only, you can say. If you want, you can write this also, no issue. Comma. Tell me. Come on. Colon, 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 colon. What is that? Colon, colon 1. All the rows with step 1. All the rows with step 1. A of colon 1, colon, comma, colon, colon. See how many answers. Right or not? So, both. Most easiest one is this. These are all called what? Row related slicing, column related slicing. Row related slicing, column related slicing. Row related slicing with step, column related slicing with step. Right? Last and final, colon 1, comma, colon, colon 1. Same. You don't look at me, look at on the screen. I don't have any work with you. You see on the same screen. Colon 1 means what? 0 to 1 means first row. What is the step? 1. Next is colon, colon 1 means all column with step number 1. Same answer. Online students, are you perfect students? These solutions? See, question is one only. Solutions are many. Solutions are many. That's why the solution brain is there. You have a lot of things. Understand, students? Yes. Now I will go to print A, my dear students. Go to that. Right, Parveen, one more, sir. Yes, ma'am, I'm going to one more for Parveen purpose. Now I want Now I want to retrieve this part. This part I will get it. Only this column I will get it. See, just go for 0, 1, 2. 0th column, first column, second column, third column. Tell me. A of first one is called what? Always row. Always what? Column. Come on first. How many rows? All rows. All rows means what? Simply colon, comma. How many columns? One column. 0, 1. That's all. How do you write it? A of colon, comma, 0, 1. Understand? Yes. One more way. One more way. Come on. How many rows? All rows. 0, 3. 1. 0, 3. All rows, comma, colon 1. Colon 1. Understand? Next, 0, 3. Colon 1, comma, colon 1. Colon 1. Colon 1. See that? Same answer. Understand this point? Yes. Done. Parvin. Now, A. No discussion. Commentary, no. You understand? You understand? You understand? Who is getting doubt? You got doubt, huh? Understood now? Okay. Now I am asking next for all of you. Little stuff of the question I am increasing. I want to get both these rows. A of first think about rows, ma. 0, 1, 2. 0, 2. 0, 2, comma. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 4. One solution. Next solution. 0, 2, comma, colon. Second solution. A of colon 2, comma, colon. A of colon 2, colon 1, comma, colon 1. See how many solutions are there? Ample of solutions are there. Come on, A of 0, 2, comma, what is that? 0, 4. See that? Getting or not? Yes. In another words, colon 2, comma, colon. Just one colon. Yes. Same on. What happens? Okay. Comma. Answer is same. Next, A colon 2, colon 1. Colon 2, colon 1, comma, colon 1. Same answer. Okay, students? Done. Next. Shall I go to little complicated? Yes. Ready to answer? I want these two columns. A of first rows. What rows? All rows. 0, 3. Okay. All rows. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. Ante. That's all. Come on. A of what? 0, 3, comma, 1, 3. 1, 3. Beautiful. Getting or not? Yes. A of colon, comma, 1, 3. That is fixed. You need to write it. Are you able to follow? Easy now? Good. Now I am going to say little more interesting. I want to get it. This row. I want to get it this column. Little complicated. Step okay. Step cheyala. Appudu telustadi. Step working or not working on it. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. Come on. A of how many rows? all rows. So colon, all rows. Come on, steps place you need to take care. 0, colon, 4, colon, 2. Very good. Very good. Simply good. What is this? All columns. 0 to 4 means what? 0 to 3. What is this 2? 0 to 0 to. Are you getting? Doubt? No doubt. So, come on. What is this now? Colon 0, colon 4, colon 2. Yes. Getting or not? A of what? Colon, comma, colon, colon 2. Also same. Colon, colon 2. Are you okay? Yes. Next to A of colon, colon 1, colon, colon 2. Same. Understand? Yes. Next to last and final. Last and final. I want this row. I want this row. Be careful. A of colon, 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 colon 2. Colon, colon 1. Colon, colon 1. All columns. Is it 1 is required or not required? Even not required also. Okay. A of colon, colon 2, colon, colon 1. Yes. A of colon, colon 2, colon, colon. Done. Now A of. Take care, students. Now I want to take up. I want to take up this part. A of colon, colon 2, okay, comma, 0, colon 3. That's all. 0, 1, 2. All columns but step 2. 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. That's all. A of what? Colon, colon 2. 0, colon 3. Yes. Getting or not? Dead easy. Now last and final. Most complicated. 10, 40, 90, 35. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Come on, quickly. A of colon, colon. Okay. Colon, colon. Come on. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. Colon, colon 3. That's all. A of colon, colon 2. Colon, colon 3. Done. Okay. Got it. Understood? Yes. I am clear. Are you clear? Online students, is it interesting? What interesting, sir? Mind blowing. Is it clear, students? Definitely some students will have doubt, some confusion. When you start practicing now, you will get it. Right. So, now one student is asking, one row, one column. One row, one column. That is not possible. It is possible with what? Advanced slicing, I'll tell you. I will tell you. After this, next one I want to go for. See, my dear students, I want to get it. 30, 20, 30, 50, 90, and this data. This data I want. It is not possible with this. It is possible only because of what? Because it is a matrix, na? It is a matrix. Matrix is not possible to get it. How it is possible? I can flatten it. How I can flatten it? You see. Who is that? Vamsi. You see. I have the solution for it. But is it a matrix? Huh? Can you prepare the matrix like that? One row with one column, is it possible to do it? No, I can flatten. Flatten means I can take like this. See that? Some Vamsi VM is equal to A of what? 0. A of 0. Are you following? A of 0 means one row plus I can say. Next I will do what? One column also I can take it. What is my column name? A of colon comma 0 colon 1. 0 colon 1. VM I will print it. VM I will print it. You see students what is coming. A of 0 is coming. Something is coming. Okay, it is adding that. It is adding that completely. 1 minute ma. Some x is equal to A of 0. It is giving some different result. Y is equal to A of colon comma 0 colon 1. 0 colon 1. And x you print it. X you print it. Y you print it. This is the data. What is happening because of that? You observe the result. It is happening something. It is filled the matrix. Totally it is filled the matrix. What I will do? I will. What is this y dimension? What is this y dimension? Ndim. 1 minute ma. Ndim. It is a 2 dimension. What is the x dot ndim? 1 dimension. So it is not possible to club like that. What I will say? Y dot shape is equal to what? Y dot shape is equal to 3 comma and y is here and x is here. I will say what now? Some z is equal to what? X plus y, and I will say x plus y. So I will say here str of x, and next is called what? Str of what? Y you say. Str of x and str of y. You say z. What is happening? It is going to be like this. Right or not? You can have something like this. This is one list. This is another list is there. I can do this. Still you want everything to be done. It's very simple, student. Some z is equal to list of what? X. List of x dot extend of what? List of what? Y. List of y. I said z. So what happens? List of x. Okay. X I will print it. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1 minute ma. 1 minute. I say 1 minute, students. I'll take it. List of x. I can do that. I can say plus I can say. I can keep it into z. Now z I can print it. So list of x plus list of y. List of x plus list of y. And print z here. Am I getting the data or not? Getting the data or not? If you are interested, A is equal to some B is equal to NP dot array of Z I can say. And print this B. I got this B. Okay. Use your technique and you can convert it. Vamsi, I hope you got it. So coming to the point of it, A is like this. Are you able to understand this? Now, coming to the point back, this is called what type of indexing, students? What type of indexing this is? Come on, 2D. Now I am going to introduce ND. ND I am going to introduce. I will go for getting this type of matrix is there. Now, Samir Ahmad, you are asking where we can use it. This is what beginning of the class I said. In data science, this NumPy will come in your algorithms. There you are going to use this operations. In the beginning of the class, NumPy and Pandas are going to come into where? In data science related algorithms. Which module? NumPy related module. That time this type of operations are most useful. I am not going to explain data science related algorithms here. ML, machine learning time, you will get this type of NumPy module operations. There you will use all this type of operations. There you are supposed to use it. I think, Samir Ahmad, I hope you are understanding. Next I will go for what? Another thing is called what? ND. ND slicing I am going to introduce. What is the ND slicing? Go for that once again. Now I will take it. A dot shape is equal to 12 comma 12 comma I set A. This is my array. My dear students, I will take it. One more A I will design it. Watch it. I am writing here some more values I will add. Something like 45, something like 55, something like 65, and something like 75. Then np dot, np dot, np dot. Now you say A. Now you say A. ln of A. How much is this? Now I am having 16. Now I am going to say, you rebuild it. How do you do that? Shape is equal to 16 means what? 2 comma 2 comma 4 comma, come on, 2, 4 comma 2, or 2 comma 4, whatever you like it. Okay. Now print this A. This is my matrix. Now see students, 0th matrix, and this is called what? First matrix. 0th row, first row, second row, third row, 0th column, first column, 0th row, first row, second row, third row, 0th column, and then first column. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. Slicing here. What is the slicing of ND array? ND array object of, first what is that? Matrix number comma row, row, and then what? Column. When you come to matrix number, begin colon what? End colon step. This is for what? Matrix. And next is what? Row. What is that? Begin colon, end colon, step. Column related, begin colon, end colon, step. Are you following me? Easy or difficult? Easy. So coming to the point of it, I want to take this diagram now. What is my elements today? I want to get it. This matrix I want to get it. Only first matrix I want to get it. How do you get it? Simply A of 0. Ante. A of 0 will give you which matrix? A of 1 will give you what matrix? Print it. A of 0. Output is first matrix. A of 1 will give you what? Second matrix. But in another way I want to print it. Another way I want to print it. All of you. A of, remember our steps, students. A of, first what? Matrix number na, comma, rows, and next columns. Matrix number means what? 0 colon 1, comma. 0 colon 1 means 0 only now. How many rows? All rows, colon. How many columns? All columns. This is also one more. This is also one more. Say A of 0 colon 1, colon, comma, colon, colon, colon. So, done. One more way. A of colon 1, comma, colon, colon 1, colon, colon 1. Also same. Are you following? A of colon 1, colon 1, comma, colon, colon 1, colon, colon 1. Also same. A of colon 1, colon 1, comma, colon, 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 colon also I can say. Same. Are you okay? Yes. So, are you able to understand now? Very, very simple. Very, very easy. Now, next, print A. Now I want to go for little complicated. I want to print this data. I want to print this data. Still not completed. Still it will be continued. Now 6:47. It will be continued. Still half an hour more. Because advanced indexing also I will tell you. Advanced index means random selection of elements. Tell me now. I want to go for selection of that. 0, 1. Come on. A of 1 colon. Okay, beautiful. 1 colon. That means 1 only. Okay. This is matrix number ma. Rows, columns. Which rows? All rows. Okay. Which column? 0, 1. What is this now? 1 colon. That's all. Are you following? 1 colon means first matrix. Rows, all rows. Which column? First column to last column. First column and last column is same. Are you okay? Or you can say 1 colon 2 also you can say. 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So tell me A of 1 colon 1 colon. Easy. A of 1 colon 2 1 colon 2. Next 0 colon what? 4 comma 1 colon 2. Same. Are you following? A of 1 colon 2 colon 1 comma 0 colon 4 colon 1 comma 1 colon 2 colon 1. Same. Are you okay? Yes. A of 1 colon 1 comma colon 1 comma 1 colon 1 also same. And how to prepare that spontaneously, you need to get the thought. After I prepared, you understand, oh, yes, sir, you are saying. But beginning only, you need to prepare like that. Are you getting? So how you can get but spontaneous preparation? Continuous practicing. So next, last and final. Now I am asking. This data I want. This data I want. Be careful, mom. Come on. I want. How many matrices you want? 2 matrices. How many columns? How many columns? 1 column only. How many rows? Okay. Tell me. A of first matrix numbers, rows, columns. Okay. Print that is. 0 colon 2. That means all matrices. How many rows? 0 colon 4. All the rows. How many columns? 0 colon 1. That's all. Easy? Yes. Comma na? Colon. Matrix slicing, row slicing, column slicing. Okay. Come on, tell me. A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 4, 0 colon 2. 2 na 1 na? 1 na? Okay. So, are you getting that or not? Yes. Can I ask last and final? Easy. Okay. Now see. I want to get it 20 and 60. I want to get 15. I want to get 55. Come on, start. A of total matrices, matrix number, rows, columns. How many matrices? 0 colon 2. How many rows? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 minute, mom. So, come on. 0 colon 4 colon sure. Are you sure? Okay, 2 comma 1 colon. That's all. 1 colon 2 also you can write. Yes, this is called what? A row step. Are you okay? So which rows are selected? All the rows. What step? So is it correct? Sure. Say, remember and say A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 4 colon 2, comma 1 colon. Yes. 20, 60, 15, 15, 55. Okay. Last students. Finishing now. This one and this one. And this one. 1 minute, 1 minute. This one. Of 0 colon 2, comma 1 colon 4 colon 2. 1 colon 4 colon 2. Is it correct? Come on, columns. Colon. That's it. Good. Colon means what? All. Nice. Nice, students. So, A you write it. A you write it. A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 4 colon 2. 1 colon. Okay, I'm not remembering that. 1 colon 4 colon 2 colon. Yes. 30, 40, 70, 80, 25, 35, 65 and 75. Easier? Okay, good. Now I'm going to say A dot shape is equal to, A dot shape is equal to how many? 16 comma. A. Now this is like this. Now I'm writing A dot shape is equal to 4 comma 4. Now A. Now my requirement today is I want to get this data. Come on. Possible or not possible? 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 Try. Take 2 hours time and possible, make it possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. Try. If you don't look at me, you try. Will you try? Not possible. I want this backward diagonal elements. Not possible. Not possible. I want to select 20, 45, 80. Not possible. This is called what? This is called what? Random selection. Random selection. Not possible. Did you understand this point? How to do this random selection of elements? This is not possible with what? Slicing operations. To select your own elements, I must go for what? Filtering the elements. Filtering the elements. Filtering. I am going to talk about it. This is known as what? It is also known as what? Advanced slicing we can call. What slicing? Right. Very frequently asked questions are, these questions will come. They will take one 2 by 2 matrix. They will take one 2 by 2 matrix. They will start asking about how do you get these elements? How do you get these elements? They will go on asking it. Will you get any confused? Up to today evening, okay. Tomorrow evening also, okay. After 10 days, what is the situation? That is my point. Who will compile the Python program? PVM. అందుకనే చెప్పేది. So, go to, this is what you are dangerous students. Ajit Gupta is my student, Python compiler. Go to 6 p.m. ఎందుకని మీరు Python compiler, features of Python, features of Python, Python compilation, interpretation process. I said to you a diagram for you, beautiful diagram. Source code submitted to Python compiler, compilation process, generating bytecode submitted to PVM. Who will compile the Python program? Python compiler. Who will execute the Python program? PVM. Today, what is my question? Who will compile the Python program? You are saying PVM. They will ask you first question, who is your faculty? Compulsory will tell my name. 100% you will tell my name. Correct kada? Cheppagandi atla. Please, show me. So Python interpreted programming language. I said, at least you don't tell the answer. You tell, sir, you read these notes, you say. Why? You see, Python program executes two things, compilation and then what? Compilation process executed by Python compiler. Execution process takes by what? PVM. If you tell my name, I'm not getting that problem of yours to me. It won't come because I already explained. Okay, now take care. And telling lies is not good. I already said to you. Fine. Today, one of the student, 4 p.m. student appeared for interview and they asked the first question, who will compile the Python program? He said PVM. He said go. And he came to me, asked, sir, who will compile Python program? I opened the diagram. And he said, he's saying like that. He just keeping the hand on his head. Sir, I committed a mistake, sir, today. I said PVM, sir, but actually the answer is Python compiler. He did not ask any question, sir. Okay, leave, he said. So beginning only don't know who will compile the Python program, who will execute. Then how can you do the Python coding, students? That is the perception, na? Correct or not? So I'm asking the question, your same batch only. So coming to the point back. Now I'm going to say, going to ND slicing also. You said, what is this now? ND array of what? Tell me. Matrix number, come on, row, and next what? Columns. Next I'm going to say, or I'm going to take it. Now, what is this now? ND array, tell me, begin, colon, end colon, step. For what? Matrix number. Next is called what? Begin colon, end colon, step for what? Row. Begin colon, end colon, step for what? Column. Marvelous syntax. Even a student who is learning data science asks this syntax out of order. Why student don't know data science properly? Number one, unable to explain algorithms properly by the data science person, plus Python coding forgetting. These are the two drawbacks. Student is becoming drained. Battery will be discharged automatically. You charge it by yourself, it will not enter into your brain. Understand? So student has to get point-to-point explanation. Like how I am giving point-to-point, pin-to-pin need to explain. That is the subject delivery. Okay, now students, now I am going for, this is called slicing of what? ND array. So I am going to next. What is that now? Advanced indexing and advanced indexing, which will cover what also? Slicing also. Advanced indexing and slicing. Let me give you the word called what? Slicing. And slicing. What is the syntax, sir? What is the syntax? There I will go for 1D. Here also 1D advanced, 2D advanced, ND advanced. See, am I clear? Is it clear about the first one? Now I am going for advanced indexing and slicing. Advanced indexing and slicing. 1D I am going for, 2D I am going for, ND I am going for. Okay. Now I am going to take up the process. See students, now Subham, I will tell you at the end of it. Okay, na? Don't worry about it. After this task, I will tell you that. After the task, Subham requirement, I will tell you. Okay. So, coming to the point of it. Now coming to the area. Yeah. This is my element, right or not? Which matrix, ma? Shubham, please, now. Which matrix? 4 by 4 matrix. I am not asking dimension. Which matrix? 4 by 4 matrix. Which dimension? Huh? Shape. Shape. 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4. 16. 16 in the case of 1D. You have full doubt about dimension and shape. Yes. What is the dimension? What is the dimension? 2. 2. It's 2 only. If I ask, is it 2? No, no, sir, 3. Is it 3? 4, sir. Is it 4? 1, sir. Later, anyone you select, sir. Right. So, it is called what? 2. Rows, columns. Row plus column. 1, row 1, column 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now we will continue the class. So, row plus column is called what? 2. What is the shape? Yes. A dot shape. A dot shape. 4, 4. A dot endim. 2. Okay. Now I am going to introduce A dot. I will flatten my list. How do you flatten the ND array? Flatten means scattering my end matrix elements. A dot, come on, shape is equal to 16 comma 16 comma 16 comma A. Okay. My question is today I'm going to advanced indexing as well as slicing. What is this advanced indexing and slicing says? Selecting what elements? Random elements, also called unordered elements. Unordered elements. Like one Vamsi asked, one column I want, one row I want. One column I want, one row I want. I will show you today. Okay, students? Well, come to the point. Selecting unordered elements or selecting random elements is requiring what? Advanced indexing. Selecting random elements and unordered elements is not possible with slicing. Slicing require everything with the step, with the rows, with the columns. Some order is required. Yes or no? But when you come to this level, you doesn't need what? Slicing is not possible to apply. That's why I'm going to introduce advanced indexing. Go to the point back. Today I want to select these elements. These elements I want to select. Which one you will apply, ma? Which one you will apply? Step you will apply. How do you apply? A of colon 2 you will write it. It will give you rhythmic step 2 level values or not? Colon 3 I will write it. Step 3 values will come or not? Okay. But my requirement is I want 20, I want 60, I want 80, I want 35, I want 75. Is there any sequence to design? No. There is no sequence to design. It is a randomized values. Correct or not? Whichever random values you want, you find their indexes. Take a small example. I want 10 ma, I want 40, I want 65. Select the range 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Anything. Whichever I am convenient, I will take its index. How do you write it? A of what I will write? 0, 3, minus 2. Don't look at me, look at on the screen. 0, 3, minus 2. Shall I? Okay. Come on. A of 0, 3, minus 2. What is this? So, 0, 3, minus 2. Closing bracket. Okay. Getting or not? Yes. Now you take care. You try to pass like this, I will test it. So, it is not possible to pass in the form of tuple. You need to pass what? Select a list of random elements indexes. select a list of random elements indexes and you pass it. You'll get the data. Are you getting or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. This is very easy to get it. Now, I want to get it. I want to get it. 2D is 1D is easy. So what I'm writing, what I will go to this place, ND array of what? Of what you will pass? Select indices of what? Random elements or what? Unordered elements. Are you able to get it? Yes. Right? All these things I will be sending. I'll show the documentation for you. Now I'm coming to 2D. It is a little complicated. Complicated in the sense, right? Second one is little complicated. Online students, did you understand up to here? Is it clear for you? Quickly. Come to the point back quickly. Now I'm going to convert my elements. What is my element I'm going to take? A dot shape is equal to what? 4 comma 4. A. I'm going to take up. Come on, students. Everybody must get it. Now, I want to get it. I want to 10. I want to 25. Is it possible to apply slicing? Not possible. Is it possible to apply ND to slicing, ND slicing? Not possible. It is a random elements now. So, what do you do? For 2Ds, advanced indexing is coming. That too, random elements are there. Slicing is not possible. Normal indexing is not possible. I'm going to see that, students. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. When you are taking that, what is the syntax? ND array object of you mention what? Row indexes of random elements, comma. What you will mention? Column indexes of random elements. Now specify. What is the row index of 10? Row 0, comma. What is the row index of 25? 2. 1 now. 2. 2. What is the column index of 10? What is the column index of 25? 2. How it is going to work? How it is going to work? Internally, it is going to take 0, 0 and it is going to take what? 2, 2. When it is executing, ND array object of what is this? 0, comma 0 and next is called what? 2, comma 2. Result will be coming. Okay. Now students of what I can say? Come on now. 0, comma 2, comma what is this now? 0, comma 2. See the answer now. 10 and 25. Understood? 0, comma 2, comma what? 0, comma 2. Tuple value also. In this case, what is coming? Tuple also. This is also like this. Are you able to follow? Next. Shall I go to next? Good. How it is working? How it is working? 0, 0. Next is what? 2, 2. And the data is like this. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it straight forward. Bigger question. 10, 16, 25, 75. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Start. A of 10 value row. 50 value, 60 value row. 25 value row. 75 value row. Okay. Whose column values also? 0, 10th column, 60th column, 25th column, 75 column. So how it is going to work? It is going to execute in such a way that A of 0, 0, A of 1, 1, A of 2, 2, A of 3, 3. A of 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, 16, 10, 16, 25, 75. Now I want to get it 40, 70, 15, 45. A of
అయినా ఇంకో 2 నిమిషాలు అట్లే మాట్లాడినింటే
A of
ఏ పొద్దులల్లా ఫోన్ చేస్తారని.
minus 1 comma. You want to go like that? Very nice. Minus 1 comma, minus 2 comma, minus 3 comma, minus 4. You are wrong answer. You are completely wrong answer. You are completely wrong answer. My dear student, your desire is very good, but your implementation is wrong. You are thinking minus 1, minus 2. These are columns, na? You need to first take what? Rows. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Start now. A of minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, comma, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. How it is going to take? Minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 4th row, minus 1 intersection value. Minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3, minus 2, 70. Beautiful. A of minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, comma, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 40, 40, 70, 15, 45.
అన్న దగ్గరికి పో, పెద్దనాన్న మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, పో పో, నాన్న దగ్గరికి ఇక్కడ పెట్టప్ప.
Understood? Right. Confused? Good. Now, easy or difficult? Easy. Now, A. This is called like this. Now I will take it. My dear students, online students, please let me know that. Please let me know this. Is it understandable, students? Now I am going to take it. So, Prachi Gupta not understanding, huh? Okay. So, NP dot array of, I'll take 3D. I'll take 3D. 3D, I'll take it. So, what happens? Okay. Okay, students. A. You say A. Done. A. LN of what? A. Okay. 12. A dot shape is equal to 2 comma, no, 3 comma 2 comma 2. Bigger one I will take. Bigger one. Ready? Yes. I want to take it. Prachi Gupta. Prachi Gupta. 10 I want. 18 I want. 80 I want. 25 I want. Matrix number. Matrix number. Matrix number. Row number. Column number. Row number. Row number. Row number. Row number. Column numbers. Column numbers. Column numbers. Now I want what? 10, 80, 25. First A of, this is what? First matrix numbers. Next row numbers. Next column numbers. Prachi Gupta, my dear student. First one is what? Matrix number. Next row number. Column number. So 10 is present in which matrix? 0, comma, 80 present in which matrix? Okay. 25 present in which matrix? Okay. Columns, row numbers. 0, 10. 80 present in where? 1. Okay. 25 present in 1. Columns. 0, 10 is present in 0. Next is 80 present in 1, comma, 25 present in 0. Beautiful. Come on now. 0, 0, 0. PVM goes to 0, 0, 0. What is the value? 10, 10. 1, 1, 1. PVM goes to 1, 1, 1, 80. 2, 1, 0. PVM goes to 2, 2, 1, 0, 25. Understood? Remember this and say. Remember this and say. A of 0, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, comma 0, 1, 1. Next 0, 1, 0. 10, 80, 25.
జితి క్లాప్స్ కొట్టు క్లాప్స్ కొట్టు
I'll continue the class. So, once again for you. No problem. Because all of a sudden nobody can understand, but little time. Once again, for you, I'll explain. Don't get tension. I will take 10, 40, 60, 70, 90, 25. Ready? Zero matrix, first matrix, second matrix. Please remember, students, last and final. 0th row, first row, 0th column, first column. 0th row, first row, 0th column, first column. 0th row, first row, 0th row, first row, 0th column, first column. Okay. A of what I will take? I will take 6 positions because 6 elements I want or not.
హలో
Next,
జితి హలో
again, I want like this.
హలో
10 is present in which matrix?
చెవులు పెట్టుకో
Okay,
చెవులు పెట్టుకొని హలో
comma.
ఫోన్ చేసి
40 present in where? 0, comma. Comma means separation of the matrix numbers or row numbers. Comma. 60, 1, also 71. Okay, 92, comma 2. Okay, these are called matrix number identification. Next, 10th row, 0, comma 40 row, 1, comma 60 row, 0, comma 70 row, 1, 90 row, 0, comma 1. Rows are over. Columns. 10th column, 0, comma 40 column, 1. Next, 60 column, 1, comma 0. Next, 0, comma 1. Okay. Start. Wow, the process is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 40.
అందరినీ అరుసు గట్టిగా
1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 60, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 70, 2, 0, 0, and what? 0, 2, 0, 0, 90, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Are you okay? So will you say this as it is? If I press escape, that value will go. And I don't have confidence on you, you will say correctly. Will you say correctly? So 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 twos. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Okay. A of 0, 0, 0, comma 0, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Okay, 0 1, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. Next 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0, 0 comma, yes, what a beautiful result. 10 40, 10 40, 60 70, 60 70, 90 35, 90 35. Understood? Now, but when you go to home, you will forget this. 10 o'clock, you open the notes and you will forget definitely. That's a very scary of sir. That's why you have to remember everything. Okay. Students in online, is it understandable, students? Okay, Vamsi is asking negative numbers. Negative numbers also easy. Okay, negative number example, last and final on Vamsi demand. I want to get it 40, 70, 25. Negative numbers. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So I will not write this. Okay, now? Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2. I will not write this. Minus 1, minus 2. Okay. And minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. What is my requirement? 40, 70, 25. Start A of minus 3, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 1. What is this? Is called matrix numbers of rows. Minus 1, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 1. Rows, columns. Minus 1, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 2. Will you remember this? Let me check. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Say now A of minus 3, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 1. Okay, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 1. Okay, next. Minus 1, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 2. Got it? Got it? Yes. Easy or difficult? Yesterday you felt very difficult or not? That indicates what? Today any new brain? Huh? No, just concentrating. So once you concentrate, nothing is difficult. Okay, now? Online students, this is called what? Advanced indexing. You can select one element also. You can select more than one element also. So when you come to indexing and slicing, can you select any elements of NDRA? Yes. Now I will say, go to the point back. Online students did not respond. I hope. What are you doing, students? Online students, are you okay? Clear? A dot shape is equal to 3, comma 4. 3, comma 4. Now I'm getting this. Nice. Prachi Gupta. Prachi Gupta. So can you, is it clear, ma? Prachi Gupta. So little bit doubt on finding dimension, sir. Finding dimension, what is the difficulty? So I'll continue my class. So come to the point back. Now I am going to Akshita. Sir, I did not understand dimension. Dimensions are nothing but rows, columns. In matrix, rows. Rows means 1. Columns means 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is called 2 dimension. You know, na 2D dimension, 3D means what? 3 pictures. See, your Government of India symbol is 1D na 2D na? Government of India symbol 3 lions, tiger, something is there. Is it 1D or 2D? You don't know that. General knowledge is not there, subject knowledge is not there. So, if you see all the dimensions, it is called 3D. If you see only front, right, only pick is there, that is called what? 1D. If you see in 2 dimension, two sides, that is called overall round, you see 3 dimension. Now I will continue my class. Now I am going to introduce filtering the data. Filtering. Look at that. Come on, it's a never ending story if I start doing that. I want to find out from there multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 from this. I want to find what? Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Is 10 is a multiple of 5? 20, 30, 80, 50, 60, 70, 70. All are? Okay. I want to find multiples of 9. I want to find 9. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. No. 90. Only 90. Understand? Right. Or I want to multiply. I want to find out multiples of 3. For example. Multiples of 3 are what? 30, 60, 90, 15. That's all. That 25. So I want to filter the data. To filter the data, there is a concept called filtering. This is also important. How do you filter the ND array? How do you filter the ND array? Now I am going to introduce. How do you filter the ND array? Now I am saying B is equal to, there are two approaches are there, students. One is preparation of Boolean array. One is the preparation of Boolean array. How do you write it? B is equal to A of, listen, don't tell anything, listen first. A percentage 3, what is our question? 3. Double equal to 0. I told you already in the class, ND array allows what? Vector based operations. Vector based operations means percentages, plus symbol, minus symbol you can apply. What is this? A percentage 3 is equal to 0. It is called one relational expression. A percentage 3, first value is what? 10. 10 percentage 3, false. B is going to contain what? B is also going to construct internally. First one is called what? False. Next to 20, false. Next is what? True. Next is what? False. Next, first, false, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. This is called which array? Boolean array, which is also called what? ND array object only. Whichever element is satisfying the condition, that entries are containing true. Other entries are containing what? False. How many entries are true? 4 entries are true. Let me print it. Print of B comma type of B. See students, what is that? Come on. False, false, true, false, false, true, false, false, true and true, false. Is it a Boolean array or not? ND array object. Pass Boolean array to the ND array object once again. A of B. See how shortcut it is. A of B. What is B? One ND array object. That Boolean entry I am passing to whom? A. So what is this A is doing? A elements are applied to Boolean array. 10 is applied to what? False. Not selected. 20 applied to what? Not selected. 30 applied to what? Selected. 30 printed. 40 applied to what? Not selected. 50 applied to false. Corresponding entries will be applied. 60 applied to what? What is printed? 70 applied to what? Not printed. False. 82 false, not printed. 82 true. 15 to true. 90 and then what? 15. 25 to false, not selected. 35 to false. These are the elements are selected. Print it. Understanding? What is the first approach? Prepare your condition and get the Boolean array. Pass the Boolean array to what? ND array object. Corresponding entries of true selected. Rest of the element will be unfiltered. Understand? In other words, this is the another words. You can write it directly. Come on. A you print it once, students. A you print it. Directly you write A of A percentage 3 is equal to 0. A percentage 3 is equal to 0. That's all. What is this B is equal to, students? B shortcut is what? You directly write there. Directly write there. What is the answer? Same answer. Easy. Come on. A of, I want to get the multiples of 2. A percent of what? 2 is equal to 0. Yes. Flattening the elements. Flattening the elements. Easy now? Yes. So like that I can go for it. A of, I can say here, A of A percentage, some 4 is equal to 0. 0. I'll get it. A of A greater than 20 and A less than 35. A, okay. Now I will write it. I'll write it. See that? Say this. A of, A of, I'll apply. Now I am writing A of, I will write it here. A greater than, what is this now? 30. And what I am writing? A greater than 30. A greater than some 40. A greater than 40. A greater than that. So what is happening? Truth values of all these things so ambiguous. So here, what I am writing? So I will write like this. Keep these values like this. Boolean array. I'll keep like this. Okay. Like this. So A of 35. Answer is this. Are you getting me? This note. This is not a problem with this. Okay. I'll try to write under. So you should not write under here. Definitely it is that. So I'll write this and I will use this. What is an answer now? What is this result now? 35 is an answer. Are you able to follow? Yes. Now I will write it. A greater than 30 and A like this. You are getting this result. This is called what? Conditional operation with what? Bitwise operators. Because the NumPy uses bitwise operator for fast calculation. So this is considered what? Filtering operations. So coming to my documentation window, students, here I am going to send it to you, the information about in this place. Coming to NumPy, under that, here advanced indexing, I'll open it. First I will go for slicing, basic indexing, I'll say. See students, basic indexing. If you want to access single element of 1D, 2D, ND arrays, we must use the concept of what? ND array of what? Index. Index can be either a positive or negative. Accessing single element of 2D. What is this? Row index, column index, comma, syntaxes, examples. Accessing the elements of what? 2D. Index of matrix. There is a matrix index, row index, column index. These are the values. Understand? Next. Go for what? Slicing operation I want to take it. Slicing operation I want to take it. Indexing and slicing operations. The biggest point of it. Indexing and slicing operations on 1D, 2D and 3D array. Now see. 1D slicing. Begin colon, end colon step 1D. Next examples. You know this colon, colon, -1, colon, colon and etc. 2D array slicing. ND array of ij. What is this? I represents row index, J represents column index. Or 2D ND array, row index comma what? In the row index, what is there? Begin colon, end colon step, column related begin colon, end colon step. This is what I said last point. Examples I available here. 3D array slicing, IJK. I is called what? 2D matrix number. J represents rows. K represents columns. Matrix index, row index, column index. Or matrix index, begin colon, end colon, step. Row index, begin colon, end colon, step, comma, begin colon, end colon, step. Whose examples? Whose examples? Are you following? This is called what? Indexing. Now I will go for advanced indexing. I will show you. That is called a Boolean array concept. Next one. Read out this. If we want to access multiple elements which are not in order, that is unordered elements. Arbitrary elements, unordered elements also called what? Arbitrary elements of 1D, 2D, ND. We must use the concept of, yes. So I am using accessing multiple arbitrary elements. X. What is that X? X can be either ND array or list which represents required indexes of what? Arbitrary elements. Come on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. NP dot array of what? List. This is my elements. Come on. Access 10, 30, 80. Are they in order? No. Here access. Here indexes of 10, 20, 30 are what? 0. 10th 0. 30, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 80th element is 7. LST is equal to 0 to 7. 0 to 7 are indexes of these elements. Convert that into what? Indexes ND array. Print that ND indexes. You pass to where? ND array. Or directly you can pass end of indexes. You pass directly to what? ND array. Directly you write what? A of index of list of those elements you write it. Is it coming or not? 3 mechanisms I said. Now coming to this place, accessing multiple arbitrary elements of 2D. Come on, row indexes, column indexes. Come on, this is called some matrix. Access principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements means what? 6, 11, 16. Already you are done in the class. Is also regularly asking question. Next, see. What is this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. I am giving in detail here. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Here I am giving 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Give these elements. I wrote it. When the above statement is executed, PVM takes internally as 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Same thing here also. Like this. Accessing multiple or arbitrary elements of 3D. 3D. Indexes of what? 2D matrix. Matrix rows. Column indexes. Same thing. Multiple. This is one matrix. This is one more matrix. Dimension 3. Shape 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 14. This is given. This is the biggest elements. Biggest matrix. All these things are examples. See so many matrices. All of them are given. If you carefully going after home, what examples are done? Same thing, na? Follow that. Next is called what? Boolean. Filtering my elements. So it is nothing but what? Selecting the elements based on condition. Selecting the elements based on condition. That is called what? Filtering. Directly from where? ND array. How many approaches? One is Boolean array. What is that? ND array with what? Condition. VR name is called which array? Which contains what values? Pass Boolean array. Boolean array contains what? True or false? Pass Boolean array to the ND array object so that we can get those elements from ND array which satisfies with entry true, or we can get those elements from ND array corresponding to true entries of which array? Boolean array. You have seen already example Boolean array. Approach 2. Directly you pass ND array object with condition. Directly you pass it. And the elements, selective positive elements, Selecting some positive elements are there, negative elements are there. Selecting only positive elements greater than 0. Positive elements condition is what, ma? Greater than 0. Directly you pass it. A of A greater than 0, positive elements. Select negative elements, Boolean array, A of B. Directly you write A of less than 0. Select the even numbers and A percentage to directly 0. Select the odd numbers, A percentage to not equal to 0. Multiples of 3. All those things. Discussing what we discussed in the class. Understood? Yes. Now I will go to the next task also I need to introduce. But this task is there. Amma?
సాయంత్రం నిద్రపోలేదు కదా
Notes, notes పంపిస్తారు. I function notes I did not give. V stack also I did not give. H stack I will do. I'll send tomorrow. Tomorrow I will send. Tomorrow 11 to 12 in middle I will send. Amma? Workshop if it is there I will introduce. I will tell in the class. Okay, na? Right. So coming to the point of it. Tell me students, define the class. All of you. Shall we write the code? Quickly start writing. I'll take class hospital. So hospital. Okay. DEF. What is my student functionality? What is my student functionality? I will take it students. Underscore init underscore of self. Underscore of self. What is my student requirement? You see, health is taking what? Constructor. Constructor or not? Constructor means what should I take it? Health line, name. Health line, next what? 300 is a capacity. Occupancy is also 300. Why I am writing constructor? Because he is creating an object of hospital class by passing the values. It is called what? Parameter constructor. Good. Come on to the point. What is this now? Name, comma, capacity, and next OCC. Okay. Self dot what? Name. Name is equal to what? Name. Self dot capacity is equal to cap. Self dot OCC is equal to OCC. Finished. Huh? Okay. Cap. Okay. Now I am going to take it for main program for testing purpose. Samir Ranjan Naik. I'll create an object. Hospital is equal to this same point. I will bring it. So done. What is my object? Print off. For your understanding, hospital dot underscore dict underscore off. So I say, what is my file name here? COVID-19.py. 19.py. Go to the place. In this place, numpy. I'll save it. Go to the place. Command prompt. d:\kvr python 6 pm cd numpy see that py. Right. Object created or not? Yes. Now I'll go to this requirement. He is saying print off. I'll take his same thing. I'll take it. I don't change thing. I'll just a testing purpose. He is getting, read out the statement. Define the method administration that check the occupancy less than capacity. If not, print. Sorry, please try another hospital. Otherwise, increase the occupancy by 1 and print patient is admitted successfully. And it is called what? Hospital.admit. He did not get any output is saying. So he said expected output. Sorry, please try another hospital because it is a full now. So this is an output is expecting. So we need to write the function now. What is my function now? Admit patient. Which type of function? Since it is ask calling with respect to the object name, definitely I will go for right. I will take what? Self. Now, what should I check it? Come on to the point. If occupancy less than what? Capacity. Come on. If self dot cap condition adena. If occupancy less than what? Capacity. OCC less than self dot capacity. If that is the case, if 1 minute, as it is I want to print. If occupancy less than that, define a method admit check. If not, this is satisfied. In this case, satisfied or not? Satisfied or not satisfied? 300 is the value. 300 is the value. 300 less than 300. False means what? I should say L spot. First I will write pass. L spot. I will write it what? Say. I must say the message. What the message is expecting? This message. Right? I will take up this return. Return. Why return, students? Because he is expecting the output to print, right or not? Because it is returning. Since it is returning, it will print that. It is returning to that printer. Print will return this result. Right or not? Else, what should I do? If it is satisfied that, what should I do? Increase occupancy by 1. Go to that. Self dot OCC is equal to self dot OCC plus 1. Print that. What is this now? Condition is important. Printer, patient is admitted successfully. So go to the place here, patient admitted successfully. Enter this, execute it, see that. Sorry, please try another hospital. Understand? Now you see that, suppose you pass it, capacity is that 301, you take it, 301, 301. Capacity is what? 301. Occupancy is what? Right. That time what is happening? Successfully. Patient admitted successfully. That also, instead of printing that, you say what? Return. Yes. You execute it. Patient admitted successfully. That's all. Samir Ranjan. Srinivas Reddy. Thank you. Samir Ranjan Naik. Are you there? Samir Ranjan Naik. He is not there, huh? Samir Ranjan Naik is there. Yes. This is our code. Understood the code? So, this is the code. Code is submitted. Right? So, once the code is there, is it easy or difficult? Nothing is there. Left hand, left finger. So, once you are practicing, anything you can do it. He is expecting the result. Suppose if you don't return the result, if you don't return the result, it will print none as a result. None will print. Print off. Off. You see, print. You say print off. Print off, you say. See what is happening. Result will come, but result is going to print none also. It is, okay, line number 10. Line number 10. One extra bracket. See students, see that. What is the none is also coming or not? Why none is coming? Already this result is printed now. It is not expecting anything to print. To avoid that problem, you remove what? Only call it. Now you will get the perfect answer. And this will come by practicing. Coding is a real God-given gift. If you don't practice, gift will not be given. If you practice, automatically gift is given. Coding kunna powerful, nobody is having that. That is your investment really. Fine. So, learning HTML. What is there? Blue box, red box to green box. That is not coding. Coding is what? This is called coding. Understand? So, I hope you understand. Tomorrow class, that is Monday class, I'll go for operations called statistical operations, arithmetic operations, I will tell you. NumPy, arithmetic and statistical operations, I will tell. Don't miss the class. And Monday, 11 a.m. Monday, 11 a.m. Monday, 11 a.m. New batch is there. New batch. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. New Python batch. New Python batch is starting of mine. Any friends are there? Tell them. First tell them notes first. Attending is different. Reading the notes is different. So beginning onwards, demo level up to here, anywhere else coming down? 1 mm also coming down? Increasing or coming down? Increasing. So last class also on peak. That is called subject. Correct? Yes. So don't miss the class. Monday we'll go for that. Thank you, students. All the best. Online students, you can wait for it. ఇంపోర్ట్ మ్యాథ్ అన్నిటి సైన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథ్ ఆఫ్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఏముంది అందులో ఈజీగా ఈజీ కదమ్మా అది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2,3 ఏమొస్తుంది 2 క్యూబ్ కదా ఎస్క్యూఆర్టీ ఆఫ్ 25 ఏమొస్తుంది ఫ్లోటే కదా వచ్చేది మళ్ళీ ఫ్లోటే కదా వచ్చేది ఇప్పుడు 2.5 టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది 2.25 కదా మళ్ళీ ఫ్లోట్ రిజల్టే వస్తుంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ Yes, ma. Praveen Kumar. I will tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will send. Tomorrow I will send it. Students in online, any more doubts, students? Students in online, any more doubts, my dear students? Any more doubts, students? Okay, so I hope nobody is asking. So time is also up. I'll sign off and practice these examples. I will post all these extra notes. Practice it. Thank you, students. I'm ending the meeting. Take care.